Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp, and this video we are going to talk about printing variables or the print statement in general. So let's do print, and then I will say your age is age, and I want this age to be displayed. So I will run this and I will put 20 and it says your age is age. And why is this age not picking up the age variable that we used? And the answer is very simple. If we go back to the very first data type, what did I say? It starts and ends with single or double quotes. So when we put this in single and double quotes, it is considering the whole sentence. This whole sentence is a string. It is thinking of it as a string. So to change this, we have printf. There are various ways to print. I'm not gonna lie, there are other ways you can print anything in Python. There are like 4 different ways, but this is the most new and the most common way that will make your print statements look easier and good. Now here, this age is a variable. So if you say printf, you are telling Python interpreter to format this whole string. And what is it going to format it with? So I'm going to do print and then curly braces and age. So now you will see the color of age has changed because this is now a variable. So you will see your age is a string and this age is a variable. So if I run this now and I put 20, it will say your age is 20. Now, if I want this to be a string or integer or boolean, anything, it is going to be formatted by the Python interpreter. So you don't have to worry about any data type when you're doing a print statement. Before Python 3, you had to format your string according to the data types, because if I do age is equal to int of age, I'm changing the data type of the variable age into an integer. So now if I do print type of age, it is going to say integer, and over here if I do print your ages and I try to print age, this will give me an error because it says that it cannot concatenate string, not an integer, to a string. So in the previous print statements, I had to convert this back to string to add it over here. So if I do this now, it will print it out, but it has printed it out because it's a string over here. It's not an integer. If I do print type of age again, you will see that the first one is integer, then it has printed out, but it is a string of age, and then it has again picked up the original value, which is integer. So that is the print statement. That is how you use the user's input. And the reason it is useful is I can do name, and then we can do print, and then hello name, your age is age. So let's run this and enter your name. See, I did not put any spaces, so it does not come over here. Whatever I typed would be right next to vi, like name. So here restart, I'll put my name and then age 20, and it will say hello Vishu, your age is 20. So that is it from this video. I hope you were able to print this out. Always remember, if you remove this f, everything would go away. It doesn't make any sense, and it will just print out whatever you give it, like your name and age is age. This f is actually telling the Python interpreter that this is a variable and this is a variable, and it says that because we are surrounding it with curly braces. So let's do this again, Vishu and 20, and 29, you will see it picked up the values. So that is it for this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.